Welcome back to the channel, my friends. On today's video, we are looking at this L322 full-size Range Rover. The issue we have is with the driver's door. And if I take the fob, lock, or unlock the doors, you can see all the other doors, you can hear it, you can see it. They're locking, unlocking, except for the driver's side door. You can manually unlock and lock the door with the key and open the door and close the door without any problems. So also, if you open the door, your interior lights do not come on when this door is open. They work fine with all the other doors. So the issue is in this driver's door. Now I already have the door panel apart. I just have the insulation to the side here. We'll go ahead and close the window. Now I have my door switch and everything plugged in, or the window switch, master switch is plugged in temporarily, just so it's usable. We have the window up. We are able to see inside of the door. Our most likely issue is going to be our door lock actuator, module, latch. It's all in one piece. I have the new part here. That's the exact part for this vehicle. So electronically that piece has gone bad. So we'll go ahead and replace it. To replace this module, we will have to disconnect all the cables and electrical connectors going to it. There's only one electrical connector, which you can see here through the bottom. So that will have to be unplugged. Also, if you look through the top here, we will have a door latch cable. This is for the outside cable. If you just follow this cable, that plugs into it right here. We can take a screwdriver. It's going to be kind of hard to see here, but if you take a screwdriver and push on this piece, that will unlock just like so, and we can release the cable from there. And also there's the inside cable for the inside door latch. That'll have to be also disconnected from this module, which is under here. I will get this disconnected. There's also 3 bolts we'll have to undo. These are T30 Torx. Those will have to be removed. I was able to unplug the module here just by squeezing the 2 ends. It's just a 1 plug connection on this. I still have not disconnected the inside door latch cable. Now I realize there is a cover on this, which just by prying on the sides with a screwdriver I was able to remove that. Looks like it goes around the inside cable, and that's how you can disconnect that cable there. We'll put this on a bench and I'll be able to show you where the connections are a little easier. Again, once you unbolt the T30 screws, 3 of them here, that will come apart just like this. So here I have the complete unit removed from the door. Here is our new unit. Now looking at this, they're identical. Obviously you want to make sure the plug is the same. And in my case, everything looks good. I do have the correct part. Now, just to show you where everything sits, you have your door lock rod here. That's what sticks out of the top of the door. And that plugs in right into this piece here. Then I have, it's actually easier to remove the whole inside door cable with the unit because it has this cover on it, which the cable actually goes through here. Now as far as the interior cable, that hooks up right into this here, obviously underneath this rod, and this locking piece plugs in to this plastic here, which will go right through the cover here just like that. And your exterior door handle hooks up right to this here. The plastic piece locks into here, and this is what the cable pulls on. So we'll get our new piece back in place just like this. This is the latch part. That latches the door closed. This goes up against the door inside of it, and the 3 screws here, or the bolts, hold it in. So as you are putting this inside the door, you want to make sure, obviously it's going to go just like this. This will be inside of the door, this will be the top. So as you're putting this in, just want to make sure for the outside lock with the key on the door handle, there's a little dowel pin that sits right in here, and it's a bit flexible, so you have some room to slip that in there. And then obviously again for your outside door handle cable, for your door lock rods going up top, and obviously that's for the inside door latch or the door handle. I have the cover and the inside door latch cable transferred to our new module here, and we're ready to go ahead and put this into the vehicle. I have the door latch module in place, fully tightened up, and the cables are back on exactly how we took them off. Don't forget to fish the inside door handle cable through here, and that will hook up to the handle once we put the door panel back on. So we're ready to go ahead and button this up. So before we put the door panel back on, we want to go ahead and test everything. I do have my master window switch here that's on the door panel, unscrewed from the door panel, and I've got it temporarily plugged in. You will need that, otherwise it will not function. So if we lock and unlock the doors now, they work exactly how they should, and our interior door light also comes on with that. So now we can go ahead and install the door panel back on the vehicle.